David from Motorspeed. I have an amazing dirt bike behind me right here. It's a 2025 GASGAS MC250F. This is the factory edition. It's got a ton of goodies. Check them out. As you can see here, this is blinking. That's a way to connect with the bike. We got the FMF exhaust, Henson GASGAS factory clutch, upgraded Excel Takasago, A60 wheels. Super gorgeous bike all around. The factory edition adds a lot of goodies and saves you money at the end of the day, because all this stuff would cost a lot to throw on the bike. You can see, looks gorgeous, beautiful colors. Bike looks like new. Of course, it's a 2025, so it pretty much is. Amazing shape. Let's fire her up. She farts. Beautiful, beautiful bike. Gotta love it. MSRP on this new is $11,500. So it's a great deal on a brand new bike. Thank you guys for watching. We are in Sacramento, California. You can check out our website, sacmotorspeed.com. Call or text us 916-249-4291. We do finance and accept credit cards and ship anywhere in the States. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Peace.